Hello everyone, I am Fias Lutfi and now you are on Devindo YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to create dropdown with Flutter. For first one, we will create dropdown basic. And after that, we create dropdown from list from local JSON or from REST API. Okay, let's jump to the first one. This is a basic Flutter project. You can be done to create this by do Flutter create and define your project name in your command line. To create dropdown, you can do inside body of stateless or stateful. This is a initial param and write dropdown in the body. I set hint is select gender and value we get from value gender before we initial it. And item I set male, female, and undefined. After that, I return drop-down menu item. The child is value and value is value. Value is like male, female, or undefined. And I convert it to list. You will look like this. If you want to pass data when select drop-down, you can do it on change. Before that, we set text to directly know what inside a value gender. And write set state in onChange and we define value gender is val. Let's see how it works. Before we continue to next section, when refresh we will getting error because of null. We can set by default value. For example, in this value gender I set is male. And the second, if you have many lists in this dropdown, this code will look ugly. You can separate it, this list directly in your stateless or stateful. For example, I have list name of my friend, like this, and define for names. So, like drop down before we copy and we set item is names and mapping like before. So let's see how it works. Next is how to create dropdown when value from REST API. First, you must set dependency HTTP in your pub space. In this, we will parse data country from this REST API. After that, import HTTP on your page of project. If you have learned Flutter Advanced, you can separate it between logic and view. But in this tutorial, I will show both in one widget. After define HTTP, I set base URL like before. This is a URL. And I set file country to get data when select dropdown. And I define data country to getting data from REST API. I create method get province and async. I do await HTTP get base from URL, and after that I decode from response body and set list data to data country. In this view, I want directly to get data from this API, so I can set when this is app is open. In this view will initiate data. So I set void init state and super.init state and set to call get province. After that, we can do drop down button like before, but for item we can directly get from data country. When you have a lot of data, this method will take a time, and you don't know data country has value or not. This is to avoid of error. So we will do if else to create logic to directly know this is data country has value or not. So I check data country has a length. If the length more than 0, dropdown will show. So let's see. The last one in this tutorial is how to create drop-down image. First, define your image location. In this example, I put image in folder asset. So, just define in PubSpace. I have 3 images and I will create drop-down about this. First is define for filter and I set default is all. After that, create drop-down button like before. But in hint, we set image of asset. The default is all, so directly I set asset all.png and I set scale of 3. So when image is big, this image will be scaled to 3. And value I set for filter. And items, this is a sum of the name of image. So I set for all, and this is image is all.png, and one is the image is one.png and two image.png. So from this, I create drop-down menu items, and value like is value item, and child I set row and directly set image of asset. Because image is dynamic, I set image of asset, asset, strip, and dollar value. From this, when data change to all, this image will call all.png. Same with one.png and another. And this is all about dropdown in Flutter. I hope you enjoy with this tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.